Call your name, just say present. Kabag,
Present, sir.
Canonigo, Kapisnon, Carbos,
Present, sir. Carbos.
Codino,
Present, sir.
Dagle,
Present, sir.
Villa Victoria,
Present, sir.
Pileses,
Present, sir.
Gabato,
Present, sir.
Hinon,
Present.
Hernandez,
Present.
Ibarra, Lebron, Lucero,
Present, sir.
Mahinay,
Present, sir.
Mandresa,
Present, sir.
Mahusay,
Present, sir.
Nigre,
Present, sir.
Niadas,
Present, sir.
Umandak,
Present, sir.
Omega,
Present, sir.
Umiktin, Swan, Sumalinog,
Present, sir.
Soralta,
Present, sir.
Tikson,
Present, sir.
Tuto,
Present, sir.
Balisado, Villacampa.
Present, sir.
Okay, balik ko na to. Balisado, Soralta,
Sir, present, Soralta, sir.
Swan, Umiktin, Lebron, Ibarra,
Present, Soralta, sir.
Canonigo. Okay, so maro na. Canonigo, Lebron, Umiktin, and Swan. O Balisado. Okay. So, I'll be leaving you guys with an activity, and also I also leave you here in the classroom a notes for how you can create your delay. So open lang. So just to give you an overview about the topic about delays. Makita ra ba guys ang gi-share?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we have here is a topic about how you can create delays in PIC microcontrollers. Okay, so namely using assembly coding. Okay. Now, before we create the code for delays, let us first try to understand, okay, how delays are actually created. So, reviewing again how microcontroller works. So, we are familiar that a microcontroller is powered by your crystal oscillator, and kung unsa kapaspas ang crystal oscillator nato, that would dictate how fast each instruction cycle finished. Okay, so very important na siya nga makabaw mo ana kay it will be the basis for our computation. Okay, so again, reviewing, so we have learned earlier that to create one instruction cycle, kailangan og upat ka clock cycles gikan sa ato ang oscillator. So das sa ato ang previous discussion, ato ang gipakita dito nga kung naa kay 4 megahertz, okay, ang usa ka instruction cycle nimo is only running at 1 megahertz. Okay, you still remember that? Okay, so kani again, sample computation of what we did before. Okay, so ang idea lang ani niya when we create a delay is to create a so-called time delay loop. Okay, so naghisgot og loop. So in short, gamit na pud niya tani og mga bit testing. Okay, so basically it's just like you creating a for loop. Okay, so imposible man kayo nga, let's say for example ganahan ka mo create og around 100 microsecond nga delay. Okay, so moingon kag 100 microsecond, lain pod kaayo magbutang pod ta dira og 100 ka buok NOP operation. Okay, so dili practical. So what we do is instead of repeating that instruction 100 times, we create a loop. Okay, so here are basically a reference, okay, in identifying how many clock cycles are required to operate each instruction. So sa move LW, move WF, basically they work with one instruction cycle. And you also have here decrement file skip if 0, okay, which could either be utilizing one instruction cycle or two instruction cycle. Okay, so ka-remember po mo ani nganong mo gamit siya two instruction cycle, nganong di man one lang? Yung sa tayo reason ana guys?
Branching man na, sir.
Okay, tungod sa branching. So every time that the evaluation for the file register is true, di ba, it forces your instruction to skip one instruction. Okay, so thus it requires two instruction cycle. But if the test is false, it basically just performs the next instruction. So of course, ang paggamit ni goto, ni call, o ni return, anything that has to do with the PCL manipulation or the program counter manipulation, it requires two instruction cycle. Okay? So si decrement file skip if 0, in a way, pare-parehara po na siya sa increment file skip if 0 o sa bit testings. Okay? Nga it's either one or duha ka clock cycles ang iyang i-utilize. Okay? So, to create a loop, okay, we must first understand how a loop would look like when designated as a flowchart. So, this is the most familiar loop, okay, nga makita nato. Okay? So, na ay initialization sa mga variable, then ay condition, okay? So, basically lang sa ato ang gipangbuhat is that kung true, di ba, it keeps on implementing the loop while dire baliktad. Kung false, anha ta mag-implement balik sa routine inside the loop. Okay? So, the moment nga equal to 0, anha pa siya mo skip to continue to whatever it is that it needs to do. Okay? So, maoro ni siya guys ang panigitawag nato nga template for the loop creation. Okay? So, gipakita naman ganina unsay mga function nga pwede magamit. So, obviously, we'll still be seeing move LW, move WF, okay, go to, call, return, and of course, usa sa mga nagdag bida guys, si decrement file skip if 0. Now, let's move on to the sample code. So makita nato dire, first two lines, move LW, move WF, it's basically loading constant value on your variable counter A. Okay? So, mao ni diri dapita sa ato ang flowchart. Okay? And then after na niya, decrement file skip if 0. So, if false, it performs this operation, kaning go to. So, mubalik siya sa loop. Okay? Otherwise, it skips. And whatever instructions is located here, mao na ang iyahang i-perform next. Okay? So, basically, kung magtanaw ta sa ato ang flowchart, okay? So, let's say, kung nakay 5 diri gibutang, so it will keep on performing go to decrement 5 times until it reaches 0. Okay? So, that is how we created the loop. Now, how to determine the delay generated by this loop? So kung magtan-aw ta, okay, so unsa may pinakadako nga value ang pwede natong mabutang sa ato ang counter nga register. Okay, unsay pinakadako nga value nga pwede nato mabutang guys sa ato ang work register. Anyone? Unsay pinakadako nga value? Sige na lang. Ako na lang nang i-leave for the exam. Okay? So, kamoy mangita. Unsa kay pwedeng pinakadako nga value nga pwede mabutang nato kang counter A to generate the longest delay. Okay? So, basically, on this example that we have, okay, kung mabutang ka dire og literal value nga 5, so it would cause this loop to also iterate 5 times. Okay? So, mo nang 1 times n. So, n here refers to the value nga imong i-load to counter A. So, there is a goto, as you can see, 2 times n. Okay, nganong 2 times n man? So, si goto would be performed n number of times, which is based on the value of counter A. Okay? So, to simplify, okay, this is the equation nga ma-derive nato, okay, when defining a single loop nga implementation. Okay? So, take note lang, counter A is an 8-bit register. Okay? So that means it can only handle a value of 0 to 255. However, if ganahan ta og pinakadako nga delay nga ma-generate ana nga loop, instead of putting 255, we will put instead 256. Okay? Or rather, dili 256, but rather 0 ang ato ang ibutang. Okay? So putting there a value of 0 would ensure that the loop would be implemented 256 times instead of just 255. Kaya nga nung 0 may ibutang. Okay? So simply because kung magtanaw ta ng condition nga decrement file skip if 0, what it actually does is it subtracts 1 sa file before checking if it is equal to 0. So kung 0 na imong gibutang dira, pasabot ana, the moment you subtract 1, it will reset to 255. Okay? So mo na siya mga 1 instruction higher compared kung magbutang lang kag value nga 255. Okay? So, if we're gonna be computing the maximum delay that a single loop can generate, it will give you around 770 cycles. Okay? So, kaning nga formula guys, nga makita ninyo dire, okay, sa ato ang code, okay, gibase ni siya sa single loop. Okay? So, it basically counts kapila i-execute si move LW, move WF, si decrement file skip if0, o si go to statement. Okay? So, anha na siya nakuha nato. Okay? So, of course, ang total delay would depend on the crystal oscillator nga gigamit. So, kaning 770 microsecond, that is assuming if you are using a 4 megahertz crystal oscillator. So, take note, if you're using a 4 megahertz crystal oscillator, each instruction cycle will be running at a speed of 1 megahertz. So, giun sa man pagkakuha ang 770 microseconds. So, given that na kay 1 megahertz nga speed for the instruction cycle, if you get the time, that is 1 microsecond. So, mo nang 1 microsecond times 770 cycles, okay? That would give you that value nga 770 microseconds. Okay? So, of course, if let's say for example, sa activity nga i-perform niyo karon, di man magsilbi ang 770 microseconds kay perting unsab na siya, perting paspasa, di nato makitaan. Okay? So, what we'll do instead is to create a bigger delay. So, here is an example of what a loop with an implementation of an inner loop looks like. So, this is basically, guys, an example of kung saan sipa a loop within a loop. Okay? So, kung magtanaw ta, again, this is the initialization part. Anhin nato ginitialize ang file register nato nga CTRA o CTRB. Okay? And as what we can see here, okay, decrement file, skip if0, CTRA, and naapoy go to loop. Okay? So that means iyaha ni siyang hutdon sa ang value ni CTRA until it reaches 0 before it can continue on the outer loop. So kung dili pa ni mahimong 0 si CTRA, magsige ni siya balik-balik. So the moment nga mo 0 na si CTRA, it jumps to this location, and then siya na po'y basihan diri sa loop. But this time around, since si CTRA is 0 naman, igsud niya diri balik, ma-reset na po ang value ni 0 to 256. So that means, ang kaninga value ni CTRB would also be multiplied by 256 times. Okay? So that is also based on the outer loop. Okay? So, as a shortcut, ako lang ibutang diri guys ang iyahang formula, okay, for creating that delay. Okay? So, if you're gonna be looking at the delay, kaigo ba na guys to generate a 1 second delay? Okay. So, of course, ang akong gingon ganina, sir, kung gamito na tog 0, ni ato ang ibutang diri sa CTRA o CTRB nga value. Ang 0, mahimo na siyang 0 ig 3 times A o kana ig 770 times 0, ma-0 pod. So, ma-negative ang time. Okay? Take note, sa actual nga coding, you put 0 to the value of CTRA and CTRB. But when you use this formula, katong zero nga value iset to nimo diri 256. Okay? So again guys, 256 ang ibutang ninyo diri, dili 0. Okay? Kay kanang 0 is also utilizing the hardware design nga kung may nusan pagani siya, mahimong 255. Okay? And that is something nga suwat mo diri, di man na siya mo check ana. So ikaw na lay mo explicar nga for the variable CTRA and CTRB, when you do the computation, butangan na lang nimo dira og 256 para didto sa command nga decrement file skip if 0 nga maatlan og 0 si CTRA og CTRB. Okay? So, if you look at this, okay, now, probably for you, kapoy kayo magdadag calculator. Okay? So, what you do instead, guys, is try to make use of your spreadsheet. Okay? So, gamita ang spreadsheet. So, di nako ma-share ang spreadsheet. So, anyway, you can just set this in a spreadsheet niya kaning si CTRA o CTRB. I-assume ni siya nga cell siya dira sa imong spreadsheet para kung kato nalay usbon-usbon ninyo, it will be easier for you to compute the machine cycle. Thereby, it will be easier for you to acquire the delay given that naanapod kay laing parameters ibutang sa imong Excel sheet to compute for the instruction cycle based on a given how do you call it? To a given oscillator nga gigamit. Okay? So, kung naay 2 loops, naapoy 3 loops nga delay. Okay? So, as what you can see here, ang ato ang multiplier para sa ato ang counter CTRC is much bigger as compared kung 2 loops lang. And of course, mas gamay kung single loop lang. So again, that's because of the value of 256 nga kung magsigig decrement si CTRA, di ba? Mahimo na ni siyang 0. So the moment nga magsigig loop si counter B, si CTRA dili naman sa iyang original value magsugod kung dili sa 255. Okay? So kanipod kung ma-0 na si counter B, magsige naman na siya sugod sa iyang counting sa 255 given that na nagsugod na kag decrement sa counter C. Okay? So kana guys. Okay? Ang ato ang mga constant numbers, okay? That helps define the delay that will be generated by this sample code. Okay? So napa ba tayo example sa for loops diri? Naapa jud tayo sample sa for loops. Okay? So, para sa for loops, this is the formula nga inyong gamiton. So, again, it's really not that difficult to create the code. Ang inyuha lang ani jud guys is for you to be able to understand, okay, kaning single nga loop. Okay? Kay kung tanaw nimo ang code ani niya, gabalik-balik ra ni siya guys. Okay? So, gikan sa single loop that looks like this. Okay? Something that look like that. Kung mag-add kag outer loop, igo na lang ka mo, copy, and paste. Dire po, copy, and paste. Of course, you remove the loop. And of course, you modify the variable on the outer loop. So, ang position ba sa pag-declare nato sa variable diri would matter? Kung mauna ang inner loop or si outer loop, it won't matter. Since once ma-declare lang nimong initial value for the variables, ang magbalik-balik ra jud diri is kaniraman nga portion. Okay? So again, refer lang yata diri guys sa ato ang formula. Okay? Para makabaw mo kung pila ka loops ang angay ninyong gamiton para maka-generate mo og 1 second nga delay. Okay? So nganong maggamit man ta ning 1 second delay? Okay? So para ni siya sa next activity nga inyong buhaton guys. Okay? So ang next activity nga inyong buhaton would be somewhat that of a stopwatch. Okay? So murag ingani ang iyahang operation. Okay, wait sa. Where is the paint? Lagi ma-share si paint. Hindi man ma-share si paint. Okay. Sige lang. Masa man si paint? Bakit hindi ma-share si paint? Okay. So, kanina lang guys. Okay? So, this will be like an overview of what you will be doing. Okay. So, again, imagine na may 7 segment. Mga decoder. Okay. So, basically, ato ang i-link ni siya guys sa previous ninyong activity wherein you were able to generate a hexadecimal decoder. So, naamoy letter F. Okay? So, naamoy 0 to F nga display sa kaning segment. Okay? So, what I want you to do is to create a program for a PIC16 F84 nga naa kay button for reset. Okay? So, kaning button reset ninyo guys would reset the count sa imong 7 segment to 15. Okay? So, of course, that is on base 10. Okay? And you also have a button for start. Okay. So once you press the button start, the counter starts counting down. Okay. So it continues on counting down and stops when the count is 0. And you also have another button, okay, which we can use to pause the count prematurely. Okay? So that means when you press the button pause, kung nag-countdown siya, 10, 9, 8, then you press the button pause, so stops at 8 siya. Okay? So if I press reset, balik siya og 15. So if I press start, it continues on counting down. So 15, 14, 13, 12, 9, 8, 7, so on and so forth. Until you press pause or you press start. So let's say for example, nag-start ka, naabot na siya 9, 8, then you pause. Okay? So pag pause nimo at 8, so display ang 8. So pwede na nimo ma-resume if you press start again. Okay? So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So at 0, stop siya. So makita jud nato ang display nga 0. Di siya mo recycle back. Okay. So maor na siya guys ang ato ang activity nga ako ang ipabuhat ninyo karon. Okay. So again, the notes has already been uploaded in the classroom and I'll be putting in the activity diri sa classroom sad kung asa mo makasubmit sa inyong trabaho. So ang i-submit ninyo guys is basically ang Proteus nga file nga naanay assembly code. Okay? So again, your assembly code, you can develop it in MPLAB, but make sure, okay, ang katong final assembly ninyo is embedded mismo sa Proteus nga file. Okay? So whenever mag-create ta og file in Proteus with a PIC microcontroller, piliin lang to nga naa kay firmware. Okay? So imuha naman lang to siyang i-copy and paste gikan sa MPLAB X padong sa Proteus nga code editor. Okay? So I think that would be all for today guys. I'll be leaving you with this activity which you will be doing until 4 p.m. And naaba ko sa eskwelahan karon, wala ko sa eskwelahan guys kay nag-sick leave ko. Unsa man ni? Dili why laing pwede maka sign ani Texon bisag ang ato ang assistant din pwede ra. I-try lang niya. Okay, so before we go, can we turn on our camera please? So paki-browse lang niya anang naa sa notes niyo na ara dira. So for the delay, for reusability, unsay gamito nato? Macro or subprogram? Okay, para sa delay nga inyong buhaton, would that be a subprogram or a macro ang ato ang gamiton? Okay. Sige lang, mahibaw ra mo ana guys. Kay next week biya, midterm na ta.
I think we saw I finished.
Close the door. Okay, so asa naman ni si Mandresa? Si Nigre. Wala si Nigre. Nigre, where are you? Nag-double con ka? nag-dual account. O nag-change device si Nigre. Wato lang sa nato adjust Nigre. Wala ra may question guys. Sayon ra no. Okay? Sayon ra kay activity oy. Mo count ra automatic good, di ba? I-press ni mog start, it counts down. Okay? Tura si Nigre guys. Sige, at my count everyone. Okay, so again. Asa mas kapis nun? Okay, kapis nun? Naa nakakapis nun? Wa ka mag-on sa imuhang camera? Naka-on ang camera ni kapis nun guys. Oo, kita lagi. Hindi makita sa ko
Wala pag-aon, sir.
Wala pag-on. Ay. Daghan laging waron. Kinsa pa'y waron? Kumusta inyong cheering guys? Ikapila gani sa cheering? Third. Unsay premyo ninyo?
Gamay nga trophy, sir.
Gamay nga trophy. Walay cash?
Wala. May budget.
May budget. Wala man na tong din good diri good eh. Ay. Gamay nga trophy. Kinsay gas supply sa trophy?
Murag ang council ra, sir. Naray ka ng funds ang council sa mga merch nga gipambaligya. O sa mga sponsor.
Na pangayo, nasolicitan ba ninyo ang assistant dean o ang kwan? Ang dean?
Mura, sir. Kay murag tanang faculty o part-time man mo igi tagaan og letter. Ang
Okay.
din kaya ito.
Ang din ray ni hatag, sir.
Ang dean ray ni hatag. Pag sure, uy.
Sir, si Dr. Galindo ray ni hatag, sir. Wala may kadawat ka, sir, opiso.
Mo ba? Wala man to si Sir Obiso pod last konggod. Pag Friday, Thursday. Kano sa mo naghatag atong solicitation ninyo kang Sir Obiso bisag Friday ra
Ay,
pod. Di man to siya pag
Per faculty mo to, sir. Murag pag Tuesday na disseminate ang letter, sir, pa niya. Wala man na uli sa mo.
Wa sad ninyo baliki dito ang kwan, opisina siguro.
Ang na-assign sir kay ECE man si Sir Obiso ang taga ECE sa na lower house ba niya. Murag wala guro gipalik.
Katuon ta to sila may maayo pangayuan kay dagko kay tos nagsweldo. Anhi man sa mga instructor one nangayo good. Adto pa mo sa mga professor like Dr. Maglasang, kato dagko kay tug mga sweldo. Well, anyway, sige, at my count everyone, 1, 2, 3, say chess. Okay, nya nga to ang kwan, Mr. and Miss. Kumusta?
Taog
Ikapila mo sila.
second runner-up ang babae pero ang laki wala naman.
Sige. Nya i-briefing na lang sila ha unsa man kanang willing gyapon sila para sa ato ang CPEs ta.
Lagi sir, ako
Oo.
bitaw silang gi-heads upan. Yung murag nagduha-duha pa man ang babae.
Ngano man.
Amot lang. Sige lang,
Puslan mong nasugdan na. So, dayon-dayon na lang sa at least
maugani.
competing with other school ba, di masayang ilang costume. Ang costume ato kay kuan ba sa council ba ang ga-provide or
Oh sir, naray partner nga wardrobe.
abang ra dayto dili to
Oo,
kanahimo jud
abang.
lagi kay as of now we are yet to finalize pa jud sa venue kay naatay bad news sa USJR nagpagawas ko sila memo karong April nga di na sila mo host og event. So mo na usa sa problem na to asa ta mangitag laing event niya. So anyway, mo lang sana guys, I'll be leaving you with your activity. Okay, so you can just leave the classroom open so you could also discuss sa notes. Okay, so mo lang sana guys, goodbye and God bless everyone. Take care.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless.
Bye, sir. Thank you.